Say goodbye to scheduling headaches in Outlook. Are you tired of endless back and forth emails trying to schedule a meeting? If so, there's a simple Outlook feature you may not know about that can save you time and frustration: inserting your calendar directly into an email. The problem: jumping between your inbox and calendar to find a suitable meeting time is inefficient. Constantly emailing availability back and forth? Even worse. The solution: insert your calendar in an email. Here's how you can streamline the process. 1. Open the email. Open the email from the person you want to schedule a meeting with. 2. Reply to the email. Click Reply to draft a response. 3. Insert your calendar. In the upper panel, click the Insert tab. Select the calendar icon. 4. Customize your calendar view. Choose the calendar you want to share. Select the time period you want to display, e.g., 1 day, 1 week. Decide on the level of detail to share. Free Busy shows only when you're available. Limited Details displays meeting titles and locations. 5. Insert and send. Click OK to insert your calendar into the email. Send the email to the recipient. What happens next? The recipient will receive your email with your calendar embedded. They can browse your availability and choose a time that works best for them. For busier schedules, this feature works wonders, eliminating the guesswork and simplifying the scheduling process. Why use this feature? Efficiency. No need to switch between apps or send multiple emails. Clarity. Recipients get a clear view of your availability. Convenience. Tailor the level of detail shared based on privacy preferences. Stop wasting time on scheduling headaches. Insert your calendar, send the email, and let Outlook do the heavy lifting.